In this video, I will show you how to set up sales tax in Square. First, log into your Square account. Then once logged in, you can now see your dashboard. Go to the left side of your screen and on the top part, click on the search bar. A pop-up search bar will appear. Then type in sales tax and press enter. You will now see the option for setting up tax. Then click on the Set Up Tax button. Once redirected to the creation of tax board, you can now input the important details such as the tax name, rate, and location of where it will be applied. You can also choose if you want it to apply automatically to all items or only to specific ones depending on how your store operates. After customizing all the needed information, just click on Save at the top right corner of your screen. You will now see that your sales tax has been successfully added and is ready to use. And that's how to set up sales tax in Square.